Hey guys, it's Chuck with Kovaction Dronography, and today I'm going to test the range of the Luminaire antennas versus the stock DJI antennas. So we'll see which is better. Will it be these or abracadabra? Or are these better? Find out right after this. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the drone and leave it here. Oh, I love that sound. All right, so we're ready to test out the antenna range. We're gonna do the stock ones first. The drone is safe and inside the house on a table. And we're gonna drive out until, actually my pilot Lori is gonna drive out till the signal drops. Hey Lori. And then when the signal drops, we'll stop and I'll switch to the Luminaire antennas and we'll see if they have signal at that point. And if so, we'll drive a little further and we'll kind of wing it from there. So here we go. I'll power these things up. Fire in the hole. You may start the engine. Ladies, start your engines. All right. Okay. We have signal. Full signal and 12 satellites to that matter. I can plug in.
Shall we proceed?
We shall proceed. Commence test.
So we're going the same way?
That way. So far so good. Bouncy.
We're only going 10 miles an hour.
Feels like 40 miles an hour with the glasses on.
See, that's what's probably happening.
Okay. So it's funny how the signal kind of pops up and pops down.
Okay, we're at the stop sign.
And I'm about 50% signal. So
Turn left.
you'll turn left. RC signal weak. Okay, it's weak signal. It's breaking up. Breaking up. Still got it though, but it's breaking up.
Okay, we're at the stop sign.
Stop. Okay, the signal's lost. So, are you in a good spot? You are, you're in a good spot. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna switch antennas. Okay, so the Luminaire antennas are on. We're gonna try them out. We lost signal already, and we still have no signal. All right, so go down to the left, loop around, and go back. We'll see what happens. Okay, I got, nope, it's in and out, so just keep going. Well, we're getting close to the end of the signal too. Stay tuned. We're ready to stop. Off to the right. No, I still have weak signal. It's getting kind of blocky. Go to the left, but be prepared to stop at any time. Okay, stop. It's done. Dunsky. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch the antennas back just to see if the DJI ones have signal when these don't.
I still love the strap. So much better than the other one.
Oops, went the wrong way.
Is that the one with the...
There's the Stay Puft Marshmallow guy. Mr. Stay Puft. Couldn't harm anybody. Okay, the signal's still done. So they're the same. They're exactly the same.
So question, maybe I should stay put for a second because someone's come up with this.
So there you have it. They're exactly the same for signal strength. The DJI original ones and the Luminaires work exactly the same. When one cuts out, the other one doesn't pick up, and vice versa. So if you don't mind the distance of the original antennas sticking out, if you put them on and leave them on and put them in your bag, then you can stick with them. If you want the lower profile design of the Luminaires, then grab a set of these. They're about $100 US shipped. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that like button on the way out, and we'll catch you on the next one. So peace out.
Bye.